Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to display an image in a circular view. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer, type circle image for Android in the search box and click on the GitHub link. Scroll down and copy the dependency package name, then paste it into your build.gradle file. Adjust the format according to the Kotlin file structure, and click the Sync Now button to merge the depend. Wait for the packages to load into your project. In the meantime, I recommend checking your mobile app design on various devices, since screen sizes may vary. It's important to ensure your design fits properly. Currently, there is no image file in our drawable folder, so we need to copy the image from our Windows system and paste it into the drawable folder. Make sure to check the image file name format, as Android Studio does not support names that start with a capital letter. Right-click the drawable folder and you'll see the paste option. Click it to paste your image into the drawable folder. Then return to the same GitHub link and under the usage table copy the ImageView code. Paste the code into your activity_main.xml file, and you should now see the image in a circular form. Thanks for watching this video. If you found the content helpful for your project, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.